नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज 151 से पढ़ेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करता हूँ। द फोर्स विच प्रोड्यूसेस एन एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इन ए मास ऑफ 1 kg इज कॉल्ड। इसे हम कहेंगे 1 न्यूटन। 1 न्यूटन क्या है? 1 न्यूटन इज द फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू एक्सेलरेट 1 kg ऑफ मास विथ 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इन डायरेक्शन ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्सेस। 1 जूल एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू डिस्प्लेस ए बॉडी 1 मीटर बाई 1 न्यूटन फोर्स। 1 जूल इक्वल टू हो जाता है 1 न्यूटन इंटू 1 मीटर। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द यूनिट ऑफ लुमिनस फ्लक्स। लुमिनस फ्लक्स का यूनिट क्या हो जाता है? तो इसका हो जाएगा लुमेन। द यूनिट ऑफ लुमिनस फ्लक्स इज लुमेन। इट इज द रिसीव पावर लाइट. It differ from radiant flux. The measure of the total power of the electromagnetic radiations, including the infrared, ultraviolet, and visible light. In that luminous flux is the adjusted to reflect the varying sensitivity of the human eye to the different wavelength of the light. Next question. Watt second. Watt second is the unit of energy consumed. Watt second is the unit of energy consumed. a, a watt second symbol watt second या फिर ये is derived unit of energy equivalent to the joule. The watt second is the energy equivalent to the power of 1 watt sustained for 1 second. Next question. In MKS system, the unit of power is metric horsepower, which is the rate of the doing work is equal to the कितना हो जाता है? तो 75 kgf मीटर पर सेकेंड. 1 kgf इक्वल टू 9.8 न्यूटन. वर्क डन इक्वल टू क्या हो जाता है? फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. 1/9.8 kgf मीटर. 1 मेट्रिक हॉर्स पावर इक्वल टू क्या हो गया? 735.498 वाट. Next question. If a number of force act on a rigid body, each force may be replaced by an equal and parallel forces acting through a fixed point together with the couple for the rigid body to be in equilibrium. Then इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका सी नंबर. बोथ रिजल्टेंट एंड couple must be 0. If the number of force acting on a rigid body to be in equilibrium, resultant the force and couple must be 0. Summation of force equal to 0, summation of moment equal to 0. Next, moment and couple. When trying to turn a key into the lock, which of the following is applied? couple कहेंगे इसको. A couple consists of two parallel forces that are in equal magnitude, opposite in sense, and do not share a line of action. It does not produces any translation, only rotation. The resultant force of a couple is 0. For example, when trying to turn a key into the lock. The moment of force about a point is equal to the sum of the moment of the forces component about the same point. The above statement is true as per the which of the theorem. ये हो जाएगा आपका वैगनम थ्योरम. वैगनम थ्योरम कहता है the moment of force about a point is equal to the sum of the moment of these forces component about the same point. Moment of resultant R about O. Moment of forces P and Q about point O. 2 into area of AOD बराबर हो गया 2 into area of AOC plus AOB. Next question. The algebraic sum of the moment of the forces forming a couple about any point in their plane is equal to the moment of the couple. फिर से the algebraic sum of the moment of the forces forming a couple about any point in their plane is equal to the moment of the couple. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द मोमेंट. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर डी हो जाएगा. द अल्जेब्रिक सम ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ एनी पॉइंट टू फोर्सेस अबाउट एनी पॉइंट इज इक्वल टू द मोमेंट ऑफ रिजल्टेंट अबाउट द सेम पॉइंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ द मोमेंट, if a number of coplanar forces acting on a particle are in equilibrium, then the algebraic sum of their moment about the point is equal to the moment of the resultant force about the same point. Next question. कपल क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? रोटेशनल मोशन. कपल हमेशा रोटेशनल मोशन देता है. A couple consists of two equal and opposite force acting in a separation so that net force becomes zero. When a couple act on a body, it rotates the body but does not produces any translatory motion. Hence, only rotational motion is produced. The vector representing a moment of a couple on a rigid body is a free vector. The vector representing moment of a couple on a rigid body is a free vector. Moment of a couple is defined as the two parallel forces with the same magnitude but the opposite in direction separated by the perpendicular distance. The net external force effect of a couple is that the net force is equal to the zero. The magnitude of the net moment equal to F into D. Since the moment of the couple depend only the distance between the forces, the moment of couple is a free vector. It can be moved anywhere on the body and have the same external effect on the body. The two forces which form a couple are coplanar. If there are two forces which are equal and opposite, they form couple. When two forces of equal magnitude opposite in direction and acting along the parallel straight line, then they are said to be a form of couple. The multiplication between the force of the couple and the arm of the couple, इसे कहते हैं हम लोग moment of the couple. The moment of the couple is the product of the forces and the arm of the couple. The distance between the force acting in the couple is a finite variable distance. The two equal and opposite forces whose line of action are different form a couple. Couple equal to क्या होता है? Px. The distance between the forces acting in a couple is a finite variable distance. If no external torque acts on a rigid body, then the product of its moment of inertia and the angular velocity about the axis of the rotation must remain constant is the statement of law of conservation of angular momentum. If no external torque acts on a rigid body, then the product of its moment of inertia and angular velocity about its axis of rotation must remain constant. L क्या है? कांस्टेंट है. आई डब्ल्यू कांस्टेंट है, इसलिए I1 W1 इक्वल टू I2 W2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A 1 meter long uniform beam of a 2 kg mass is being lifted vertically up by a force F at the 100 centimeter marks. What is the minimum forces required to do so? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका 10 न्यूटन. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन रिक्वायर्ड फोर्स टू लिफ्ट अप एफ निकालना है. टेक अ मोमेंट ऑफ ए फोर्स ए summation of moment equal to 0, force into 100 minus weight into 50 equal to 0, force into 100 बराबर 2 into g into 50. इससे क्या हो जाएगा, F इक्वल टू 10 न्यूटन आ जाएगा. Two parallel forces equal in the magnitude, opposite in the direction, and the separated by a definite distance are said to a form of a couple हो जाएगा. फिर से देखिए, two parallel forces equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and separated by a definite distance are said to form couple. A couple consists of two parallel forces that are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and do not share a line of action. It produces only rotation. M equal to क्या आ जाएगा, F into D Newton meter. Next question. If the arm of the couple is double, then the moment of couple would be double हो जाएगा. If the arm of the couple is double, then the moment of the couple would be doubled. The two equal and opposite forces whose line of the action are different form a couple. The perpendicular distance between the line of the action of two equal and opposite forces is known as arm of couple. The magnitude of the couple, that is moment of couple, is product of one of the forces and the arm of the couple. Moment of the couple क्या हो गया, P into X. Next question. According to the law of moment, if a number of coplanar forces acting on a particle are in the equilibrium, then हो जाएगा the algebraic sum of their moment about any point in their plane is 0. According to the law of moment, if a number of coplanar forces acting on a particle are in equilibrium, then the algebraic sum of their moment about any point in their plane is 0. Next, for a centrally supported uniform beam as shown in the value of F1 and F2 when the beam is in equilibrium are respectively, ये आपका हो जाएगा 3.5 kilonewton and 1.5 kilonewton. A 16 Newton force produces a moment 64 Newton meter. Then the moment of R हो जाएगा 4 मीटर. फोर्स दिया हुआ 16 न्यूटन, टॉर्क दिया 64 न्यूटन. टॉर्क इक्वल टू फोर्स इंटू मोमेंट. देन मोमेंट आर कितना हो जाएगा, 64/16 इक्वल टू 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन टू इक्वल अपोजिट and parallel forces with the different line of action on a body, they constitute couple. When the two opposite and parallel forces are different line of action act on a body, they constitute a pair. When two equal forces whose line of the action are different and opposite act on a body at a distance, the product of any forces and distance between these forces is called couple. A vertically upward forces of the 100 Newton is acting at point P in the xy direct plane. The coordinate of the point P are 50 in meter. The moment of the force about origin will be M can be transferred to 500 Newton meter anti-clockwise. Next question. A couple is formed when two equal and unlike forces equal and alike forces acting on a body. C number. Two parallel forces equal in magnitude and opposite in direction and separated by different distance are said to be a form of couple. A couple is formed when two equal and unlike parallel forces acting on a body. Example of couple: trying to turn a key in a lock. Force exerted by hand on the steering wheel. Force exerted by a tip of a screwdriver on the head of the screw. Next question. When a body moves around a fixed axis, it will have circular motion. A circular motion is described as a movement of the object while the rotating along a circular path. एंगुलर वेलोसिटी क्या हो गया, डी थीटा बाई डी टी. v इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, r इंटू ओमेगा. ए 12 किलो न्यूटन फोर्सेस प्रोड्यूसेस अ मोमेंट ऑफ 96 किलो न्यूटन मीटर. देन द मोमेंट ऑफ आर्म हो जाएगा आपका m इक्वल टू f इंटू डी. 96 बाई 12 इंटू डी इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 8 मीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the moment of at A for a frame shown in the below? Each vertical frame has very large amount of inertia. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा बी नंबर. Because moment of inertia of all component of a frame is more, it work as a simply supported beam. The angular moment of a system is conserved if there are no torque present. फिर से, the angular moment of a system is conserved if there are no torque present. The angular moment of a system is conserved if there are no torque present. This is an expression for a law of conservation of angular momentum. Angular moment is conserved when there is no meet external forces. I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. Next question, the rate of change of moment of momentum represented the torque applied by the fluid. The torque can be defined as the rate of change of the moment of momentum. The rate of change of momentum is called force. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Opening a Lamica bottle is due to moment. Cycle pedaling is an example of couple. Cycle pedaling is an example of couple. Couple क्या है? It is the system of coplanar equal and unlike parallel forces. Product of one force and perpendicular distance between the force, ये है मोमेंट ऑफ कपल. नेक्स्ट आ रहा है फ्रिक्शन. पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द रेशियो ऑफ लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन एंड द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज नॉन एज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. द रेशियो ऑफ लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन एंड नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज नॉन एज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन क्या है? म्यू इक्वल टू एफ बाई आर एन. एफ क्या? लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन और आर एन क्या? नॉर्मल रिएक्शन. द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड्स अपॉन नेचर ऑफ द सरफेस. कोफिशिएंट फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड करता है नेचर पे, मटेरियल का प्रॉपर्टी पे. फ्रिक्शनल इज द अपोजिट force which act in the opposite direction of the movement of the block. It is two types, static and dynamic. Law of static क्या है? तो always act in opposite direction. Magnitude of the force of friction is exactly equal to the opposite to the applied force in limiting friction condition. Force of the friction is independent of the area of the contact between the two surfaces. Force of friction dependent on the nature of the surface, smoothness and roughness. Next question. The maximum frictional force which comes into the play when the body just begin to slide over another surface, इसको कहेंगे लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन. ए नंबर लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन. The maximum frictional force which comes into the play when the body just begins to slide over the surface is called limiting friction. Rolling friction क्या है? The friction experienced by a body when balls or roller are interposed between the two surfaces is known as rolling friction. Sliding friction क्या है? The friction experienced by a body when when it slides over the another body is known as sliding friction. The friction experienced by a body when at rest is known as static friction. A man is pushing 25 kg wooden block on a rough surface with a coefficient of the friction of 0.2. What is the rate of the acceleration of the block if the man applies a force 100 Newton horizontally? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 2 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. A body of mass 16 kg is accelerating at a rate 5 meter per second square when the force F is applied. If the coefficient of friction of the surface is 0.25, what is the external force F acting upon the body? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 120 न्यूटन. इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 120 न्यूटन. From the graph given, identify when the region represent which of the following types of the friction. बी नंबर हो जाएगा. पहले A1, पहले स्टैटिक, फिर लिमिटिंग, फिर काइनेटिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Fill in the blank with the appropriate word from the option. डैश फ्रिक्शन इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज कूलम फ्रिक्शन. ड्राई फ्रिक्शन कूलम फ्रिक्शन कहते हैं. ठीक है. ड्राई फ्रिक्शन इज ऑल्सो नॉन एज कूलम फ्रिक्शन. Dry friction is also known as Coulomb friction. Coulomb's law can represent the most fundamental and simplest model of friction between the dry contacting surface. Dry friction is the force that opposes the relative lateral motion of the two sides surface are in contact. Dry friction is divided into पहला हो गया स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन नॉन मूविंग सर्फेसेस, काइनेटिक फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन मूविंग सर्फेसेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 2 लीटर ऑफ ए लिक्विड वेट 10 न्यूटन, देन द स्पेसिफिक वेट ऑफ द लिक्विड. ये आपका 5 है न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. A body is just sliding in the plane of the plane in the direction of the vector capital K or small k. What is the direction of a friction force acting on a body? Assuming the standard notation for the unit vector, ये हो जाएगा माइनस के. According to question, since the body is sliding in the plane in the direction of the unit k, then the frictional acting on the body is m in k direction. Next question. From the given image, identify the angle represent. The angle of repose is the angle of inclination of the plane to the horizontal at which the body just begins to move down plane. From the given figure, angle of repose alpha and the limiting case क्या होगा? Alpha equal to 5. Next question. The friction acting on a body while in motion is called, इसको called कहें dynamic friction. Friction, the force which oppose the movement or tendency to movement of body is called frictional force of the simple friction. A static friction क्या? The friction acting on a body while in rest. Dynamic, the friction acting on a body while in motion. Next question. Limiting force of a friction is the C number. The frictional force acting on a body just about to move. एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन क्या है? एंगल ऑफ फ्रिक्शन, इट इज द एंगल विच इज द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ द लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन एंड द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन मैक्स विद द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन। कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन क्या है? इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन टू द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन बिटवीन द सरफेस ऑफ द कॉन्टैक्ट। म्यू इक्वल टू एफ बाई आर हो जाता है, एज फाइव इक्वल टू 10 इनवर्स म्यू हो जाता है। When a body friction comes into the action between the two running part of a machine, it results in the product of heat हो जाता है। The friction comes into the action of the two running parts of the machine. Surface of the any part has the number of the value of the roughness which behave like as the teeth. When two surfaces brought into the contact and the moved over the past, then teeth are break due to the relative motion, so heat energy devolve. To reduce friction, apply any lubricant material, grease, oil. Next question. A block resting in an inclined plane begins to slide a plane. If the angle of inclination is the gradually increased to 30 degree, then the coefficient of friction between the block and the plane ये हो जाएगा 0.577. Next question. The minimum angle made by an inclined plane with the horizontal such that the object on the inclined surface just begin to slide is called angle of repose कहते हैं इसको। C number, angle of repose. The minimum angle made by an inclined plane with horizontal such that the object placed on the inclined surface just begins to slide is known as repose. Next question. The limiting friction force does not depend upon the shape and areas of the surface in contact. The maximum value of the frictional force which comes into play when the body just begins to slide over the surface of the other body is known as limiting friction force. The limiting friction force depends upon the nature of the surface and does not depend upon the shape and areas of the surface in contact. Next question. Dynamic friction as compared to static friction less हो जाता है। Next question and last question. A body is resting on a plane inclined at an angle 30 degree to horizontal. What force would be required to slide it down if the coefficient of the friction between two bodies and plane is 0.3? ये हो जाएगा आपका 0। थैंक यू दोस्तों।